Oh, just in time. So this should be my other product that I'm using for today. We're going to be doing two things today, actually. So let me go ahead and lock up real quick. Take that up front, that way y'all know what it is.
Exceedingly strong.
Alright, so this is going to be today's video as well. I'm going to be doing the leather, but if y'all remember, I was telling y'all about I had another product that I was going to do at the same time because it's a chemical and really didn't want it on the seats, you know, longer and screw them up and stuff like that. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and open this thing right now. I don't have the tool, so I'll use my hands. Alright, so it is a air freshener bomb. And the thing I do with these is before I actually put the scent I put in the car, I like to clean the system out. So the way it works is, you know, you set it in the center, you turn it on, you put it in a, well, I would explain that when we get to where we're going and why I'm doing it. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, and I will see y'all at the wherever I'm going to park to have the time to do it. What's up, guys? So as you know, I just opened up the spray bomb air freshener. It is the new car smell, but I only use it not for the smell. I use it to clean the system out, if that makes sense. To me, it does. I think it really works, you know. Okay, so the way it works is, let's go ahead and get it going. So the way it works is you put the circulation on, right? You close the doors, you make sure all the windows are rolled up, and then you set it off, you know, in the middle of the car, and then you close the door, you wait 20 minutes before you open them. So while it cleans out the system, you know, it fogs up inside, and as you can understand, that's why I'm doing the leather at the same time, because it's gonna get on the leather and stuff like that. So I want to make sure it's off as soon as possible, so it doesn't screw it up in any way. So I've always done this for the longest time since I got this car. You know, you know, it might not make sense to y'all, but to me it really does make sense, and it really takes the smell out. What if you have a smell? Really, I don't, but it's been a while since I done it, so I want to, you know, keep it that way. But anyway, so that's what we're doing today. I'm excited. It's been a minute, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm on the way to actually still I get some red boxes I got to drop off. I'll probably do that after I do this video, because it's gonna take a minute. You have to wait 20 minutes before you open the doors. So you wait the 20 minutes, and then after that you let it air out for 5 to 10 minutes. You know, it's up to you, really. Usually I do the 15, maybe 10. So this video is going to be longer than usual, I think. I'm not gonna post a whole 20 minutes, you know, of the bomb going off, just the beginning of it, you know. So it's not too long for y'all, but it gets straight to the point. And yeah, we'll pick it up when we get to the, I guess I'm gonna go to the park and we'll start it up. Alright, so we are making it to the park. It's quiet, no one seems to be here. This is why I like coming here. It's been a while since I actually made a video at the park, but since there's no one here today, I'll go ahead and take advantage of it. It's quiet, so it gives me the time and the quietness I need. So I'm gonna make sure that everything's out of the car before I set this bomb off. It's already on circulation. You want to put it on the max air, so it's already there. Take everything out, my mask. Alright, so it's on circulation. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here in the center. Comes in the box. It does have the instructions in the back if you can't remember what I've said, but it's really, you know, really forward. But these seats definitely need to be done today because they're really dry and they don't need to get any worse. So you pop it open, and then you see how there's a knob. You press down on it and it starts to go off. You gotta make sure the windows are all up. Pretty sure they are. Alright, so it's on. Make sure you leave it on. Take the keys with you. And alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the camera out. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and set this thing off. See, as you can see, so it's gonna go off. It's gonna go through all the system of the car, clean it out. It's a nice smell, but you know, I have that new smell that I got from Chemical Guys, so I'm gonna test that out. But I wanted it to be fresh, so I'm gonna wait a week or so once this smell is gone, and then put that in. So I will see you in 20 minutes. While that's going off, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little video here. Man, I just love how these tires look on this car. Love how they stick out, not too much, but they do stick out. There is no rubbing. I love the flag design on them. I mean, I love them. You know, I should have done this a long time ago, but I didn't. But this is how she sits now. So I'm gonna be trying to get this, you know, fixed up. There is some things that need to be fixed up, you know, on the outside, a little bit on the inside. Later down the line, probably a paint job. Like that bumper needs to be replaced. That's about $1,500, he said. But I'm gonna try to go through my wife's uncle. He does all type of restoring cars, and I've seen his work. He does old school cars, newer cars, I mean everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to go through him and see if I could get it cheaper. He said probably for a brand new paint job, depending if there's dents or not, it would be like $2,500, which is not bad. And you know, I would trust him to do it. I mean, usually I go somewhere else, but you know, I'm trying to stay with a good budget when it comes to fixing it, but I know he's going to do a great job. So that's about 15. I assume I already got this side fixed, but this side, you already know about that little dent going on here. That's gonna, these doors are gonna have to be redone at some point. Probably try to get him to do that too if he does the front end, because I know he's a real busy guy. That's what he does for a living, is body work and stuff like that on cars, or you know, body shop stuff. But you know, hopefully that 1,000 or so. And then you can see this bumper here. That this is why it needs to be replaced here. I mean, I guess they could have put it on, but at the same time, it's kind of like splitting here, right there. So it's gonna really have to be replaced, which it's fine by me. You know, it'll be that much newer. I mean, that's some money Just gonna have to take some minutes to save up there. That's pretty much it. Still waiting on the bomb. I can smell it from out here. And I'll see you in just a little bit, and we'll continue this video today. Hope everybody's staying safe. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Please share this videos. I can't do it without y'all. You know, I really enjoy, I never thought I would be doing YouTube videos, but I am, and I really do enjoy it, and I want to make more. I want to give you better content. And yeah, I mean, let's grow this channel. Let's make it what it can be. Let's get more cars aligned and really have some fun. You know, I do plan on getting a car to have real good fun with. You know, I love this car. I don't want to push it too much just because, you know, it's my first car, and I'm always going to have this car, and she's always going to be part of this channel. It's never going to go anywhere. I'm always going to keep this car because this is where the channel started, you know. And, you know, let's just have some fun. Let's go ahead, get out there, and make things happen. Alright, so we are back. It's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and let it air out. It smells really good inside. Open these doors up. Pick up my trash. Alright, so while that's airing out, you can see how dry these seats are. You know, a little leather going on there. I do have something to replace these. I actually have red, and you know, so those are going to be replaced at some point. Excuse the mess. I know there's waters and all that stuff in here. Get the bag out that I need. And we'll go ahead and get started with the leather here in just a minute once it's aired out for the next 5-10 minutes. So stay tuned, and we will be back shortly. There are actually some people here now. But, alright, so what we want to do first, this is for after the, what do you call it? So the first thing we're going to do is use the spray, the leather cleaner. I'm just going to go ahead and clean everything, all the leather, and then we'll come back around and dress everything, you know, that's leather, make sure everything's protected, you know, the shifter, the centerpiece, the seats, there's some leather on the doors, so I'm going to go ahead and get those too. So let's go ahead and get started. So as my seats, they're never really dirty, you know, it doesn't really take anything off, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do them anyway, just doing it the right way. So, you know, when it's time to put the dressing on, you know, it bonds with the leather real well. So as you can see, like I said, it's never really dirty. You know, there's a little stains here and there, but that's just from the steering wheel now. So now it's all done. I gotta go get those 2 doors over there, and we'll start doing the dressing. See you in a second. Alright, so the camera cut off. I wasn't sure how much was shown. So you can see how good these seats look now. The leather on the door. Front seat. They look so wet. Go ahead and check out the other side before this camera goes off again. But yep, turned out really good. The smells are crazy. They smell really good, like leather. The seats are protected, doors, centerpiece. And just look at that. It really turned out great. I actually do like this product now. Steering wheel was done, protected center. But yeah, so I'm sorry, I'm really hot right now, I'm sweating. But hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. You know, I helped you with some products, you know, something y'all want to use on y'all's car. I really like it. I like how it turned out. You know, it's pretty good, as good as McGuire's wipes, you know. But, you know, I really enjoyed it. I like the color of it. The smell smells like leather. It's really cool. Really hope y'all liked the video. Share, subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next one. Enjoy.